Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving and I'm pretty sure you have leftover turkey. So come join me where I'm going to show you what to do with that leftover turkey by making tortilla soup. You can use turkey or chicken, whatever you have. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my version of tortilla soup, keep on watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell. Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Boil your chicken with cilantro, onion, garlic, and chicken bouillon. You want a clear broth, so scoop out the impurities. Cover and simmer until chicken is cooked. On a cast iron skillet, toast your tomatoes, onion, and garlic. Also toast your chili until brown on all sides. Peel the skin off of the garlic and add the toasted ingredients to the blender. Add a tortilla to the blender. This will help thicken your soup. Add the broth in your blender and season with cumin and chicken bouillon. Blend until you get a smooth broth. Before transferring this broth to the pot, make sure to strain out the cilantro and garlic. Add the tomato mix to your broth and simmer. Let's get started with the tortilla strips. Cut your tortilla into strips as shown. Heat up oil and fry your strips until crispy and golden brown. When done, place chips on a paper towel. Next, shred your chicken. Add your corn and chicken to the soup until warm through and you're ready to serve. Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. Now it's time to taste this. Just get a little bit of everything. I topped this off with avocado, cilantro, sour cream, queso fresco, Oaxaca cheese, and cheddar cheese. That's tasty. The avocado brings it some like great creaminess to this dish. The tortilla chips are nice and crispy. Let me take one more bite, you guys. This is so good. You know what would be even better? If I squeeze some lime on it to bring out the flavors. Now let's try it again. Even better. You want to go ahead and add hot sauce to it? Go ahead. You could also top it with serrano peppers. I'm going to just add tapatio to mine. But other than that, this is excellent. So good, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like, press the subscribe button and the bell. And if you do recreate any of my recipes, please tag me on social media, as I would love to hear from you guys. Well, anyways, I hope you guys have a nice holiday weekend and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. One more bite. That's so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tap on that notification bell. For my recipes, please check out ivyskitchen.net. And if you do recreate my recipes, I would love to hear from you. So please tag me on social media and hashtag Ivy's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.